Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at Exclude Include Order line process from CRM cells. We will cover the following topics in this video. Creation of cells order, mark order line as exclude, impact of excluded order line. Then we will see the ability to addition excluded order line. For creation of cells order, we need to log into Brilbook. I have logged in with Cells user. For creation of Cells order, navigate to the Cells menu category, expand Cells menu group, and click on Orders menu. Now I'm going to create a new order record with the help of this Create button. As you can see, our Order Create page has been opened and details, pricing, and invoice details tab appeared on the Orders Create page. Now I'm going to add the details in required field to create the order record. Here I'm going to add the order name as order for ball bearing. Then I'm going to select the account from existing list. Then select contact, add valid phone number. Then move towards the additional section and select the requested delivery date. Then navigate to the pricing tab. Select price list in other section. You can add the discount and tax details over here. Then select site and click on the save button to save this order record. As you can see, our order record has been successfully created and items, order reviews and files tab appeared on the orders detail page. Now I'm going to create a new order line record. For that, navigate to the items tab and click on the create button. Here, our order line create page has been opened and basic, pricing and other section appeared on the order line create page. Now I am going to add the details in required field to create a new order line record. Here I am going to add a product category as a ball bearing. Then I am going to select the product from existing list. Then navigate to the pricing section and add the required quantity of product. Then select the tax group in other section. You can add the tax and discount details in other section. Then click on the save button to save this order line record. As you can see here, our order line has been successfully created and related tax and order batch appeared on the order line detail page. Now our next step is to mark order line as excluded. To mark the order line as excluded, navigate to the exclude button and click on the exclude. Click on yes, then add the excluded reason. Then click on the save button. As you can see here, our order line status is marked as excluded and our order line record become read only. Now we are going to check the impact of this excluded order line Navigate to the order. Here we redirect to the order detail page. Navigate to the pricing tab. As you can see here, line item amount is become 0 due to excluded order line. Now our next step is to check the ability of addition excluded order line. For that, navigate to the items tab, open the excluded order line record and click on the include button present on the ribbon of excluded order line detail page. Click on yes. Our order line record has been successfully included. Now we are going to check the impact of this included order line. Navigate to the order, then navigate to the pricing tab. As you can see, as per the amount added on the order line, the line item amount are get filled. So in this video, we have seen the include exclude order line process, creation of order line, mark order line as excluded, impact of excluded order line, then ability of addition excluded order line and impact of included order line to this order. Thank you.